What's up, guys? Oh my gosh, I almost just slipped. It is ficus and toast. Pretty much just ficus because toast is not here today. So yeah, guys, back at a spot we've been at a lot lately. This is the lowest it has ever been. Like last time we went crazy because it was so low. Look how low it is now. Way lower. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. So yeah, guys, this is the lowest it has been. So you can see. Okay. So you can see a lot of stuff over here. Just so you know, guys, we are doing this with my dad, my grandpa, and Sam. So my dad's about, whoa.
Whoa. Oh, tossed it right in. Watch that. Watch this seawall, Herm. It's pretty slippery and shallow. Yep.
Dad's about to throw it in. I got him falling on video.
Whoa. What do you have? I lost it. This is nasty right here, boys.
Yeah, look at. There's so much stuff that was underwater that just walk at. Look at how many shells there is.
Yeah,
all
why
over
is
the
there so
ground.
many shells? I'm gonna walk down here, Dad.
No.
Why?
Because I sunk down there, bud.
Guys, if you think my grandpa looks familiar, he was on one of the old videos. It was one where we got so much stuff. We got like car parts, all kinds of stuff. So I'll play a clip of that right now.
All right, here we are. We're all getting ready to head out for our magnet fishing day for the day. We're gonna try a couple spots. We got ficus and toast. We got a special guest here today. We got Grandpa Gents going with us. He got his brand new magnet. We got Mango, Sammy, toast, and ficus. Keep going, Max. We got our bag full of stuff here. We're bringing my magnets in here. We got some seeds for the event. Everybody get some seeds. I got my magnet. We got Grandpa's magnet in there. We got a whole cooler full of stuff. Grandpa threw us a winch in here that we're gonna bring along in case we get a bus or a car or something. So we'll see you out there.
Okay, so my dad thinks he's got something big right now.
We had to restart video.
Looks like he can barely even pull it. Or he's going slow.
Is there a port potty crossroad?
Almost just fell.
Oh, damn it.
What?
Oh, I still got it. Damn it. Don't tell me this thing tangled up. I think I lost it.
Did you?
I can't tell because I feel like there's something definitely on it. Nope, I still have something on it. Oh, damn it. Right there it is.
I'm gonna put on my glove, and this is hard to do when I'm videoing. Sam, pull out my glove again. I'm videoing. I can't get it. Okay, it's on. It's on, Sam. Sam, I need a video.
Sam, give me my hook.
Where's your hook?
Grab mine, would be easier, wouldn't it? Well, yours is hooked in the ground, mine's not.
Whoa.
Right here, Sammy. Right here, no, give me his. Right here, just go
Crap, I'm
underneath this.
freezing. Put it right underneath here.
Put it right underneath here. Right here, just go underneath this. 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 Right
All right, now grab it with the other arm and go back the other way.
Go up there and put it up by Max. In the ground. Put it in the ground.
Okay. Okay, so here, hold you down like that.
We need to start marking these to figure out how far in we're at.
I'm on it right
You
here.
got a knot on you.
Yeah, but I'm on it. I'm on it good too. You gotta be close to me.
Oh, stop!
Oh, Sam, stop! I'm gonna drop the camera. Stop.
Whatever it is.
Moving it.
Either rocking or
Whatever it is, it's good size. We're hooked together now. Whatever it is good size.
Did you look at that?
It's like directly out in front of us. I think we're slowly moving it towards us.
Huh?
Okay, boys, here we are. Got my buddy Sam. We're down here in between Fulton Bridge, 6th Street Bridge, Leonard area. We're gonna toss in for half hour, 45 minutes, quick. We got our Christmas party canceled today, so we're gonna come out here and see if we can find anything. We haven't got too far yet. Sam found a brick. I think it's from Ferris Fishing. But we're gonna give it a shot. See ya. Have a good day. Remember, Ficus and Toast. Subscribe, like, share, Ficus and Toast. Deuces. All right, here we are, guys. We're at the end. What'd we get, Sam? Pretty much nothing, huh? Cold. Talked to a guy that runs the rapid. We got this kind of junk right here. Junk, washer, junk, 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 stinking brick, and junk. That's about all we got today. But we're gonna come back some more later because there's something real big right here. Just can't pull it out. Okay, see ya. Deuces. See ya for Sam. See ya for me. Ficus and Toast. Like and share. See ya. Alright, what's up, guys? End of the day. Did some magnet fishing today. Went up to Croton, boat launch area, houseboat area. We kept hooking onto something gigantic. Can't get it yet. We got our new Kratos magnet in. We're gonna head back up there and try it again. Had Grandpa's help and everything. A few things we got here. We got a few things we got here today. We got Lions Pride Bud Light. Only worth 10 cents. We'll hold on to that. We got this thing here, which I'm not 100% sure what it is, but some sort of a bracket or something. Max, can you peel that magnet off there quick? Put this on it. We got another can, Pepsi can, Budweiser can, old nasty Budweiser can full of crap, dog leash, some sort of dog leash or something, a mirror off from a boat, something, big chunk of shack, then this thing. So that's pretty much going to do it for everything we did today. I'm going to pass it off to Max here a minute.